What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. I look a little crazy right now because I don't have any makeup on, but I want to show you guys, in light of the first day of fall, how I make my pumpkin spice latte. Alright, so I'm going to show you guys. So, as you can see, I've got my coffee brewing here. Now, if you're wondering what I've got in here, I am warming up some organic oat creamer, unsweetened, no sugar. I can only find this at Whole Foods. I can't really find this anywhere else. There's a place out here called Mom's Market. I know they're not like a really big chain. That's the other place that I can find it. But this is what I have been using to make my pumpkin spice creamer before I put it in my coffee. I also use this alternative dairy-free half and half. This is probably the best thing I have ever encountered when going on my hunt for half and half for my coffee. Since you guys know I am dairy-free, I put this in my coffee and I'm telling you, it's as if I have half and half, real half and half in my coffee. It doesn't taste like milk, but you don't miss the milk in it because you would never know. I have had my mom try it, my dad, my niece, my sister, everyone, and they was like, oh, this is good. So anyway, I'm going to show you guys how I do my pumpkin spice. Now, I don't have a frother, so this is not going to be a little frothy, you know, a frothy drink or anything like that. So anyway, I'm going to be warming that up. Now, this is my little secret. Pumpkin spice puree. Yep, you see it, pumpkin spice puree. So we're going to put a little bit of this in there. Now, this is not this is not for you to go crazy, okay? I don't want you to have some type of goopy kind of pudding type of thing. You only want to put a little bit. So I probably have about half a cup of my oat milk creamer in there, and I'm only going to put about this much of pumpkin puree, maybe a little bit more, right? Then we've got the good old pumpkin spice. So we're gonna go ahead and put some pumpkin spice in there, however much you like. I don't like too much. And then we're gonna put a little bit of sugar in there. I use organic cane sugar, of course, because everything has to be organic. So put a little bit of sugar in there. Come on now. I like using turbinado sugar in the morning for my coffee. Come on. I'm not putting a lot because I'm going to put the other sugar in there. Anyway. And you just kind of, like my little whisk, you just want to whisk that together. I was trying to get Tyrone to taste it the other day and he was just not having it. So you don't want this to boil. You don't even want it to even simmer. You literally just want this to warm up, because for some reason I find that I don't know, these creamers kind of, I don't warm up my creamers. I just put it in the coffee cold and it still keeps the coffee really hot. So you don't want to scorch this or anything, because then it kind of has like a funky flavor to it. So you just want to make sure that everything's mixed in together and that it's warm enough, like really warm, almost hot. You don't want it too hot. So once this is done, then we're going to pour this in the coffee. Alright, you guys, so I'm letting this warm up. I just tasted it. When I tell you, this almost tastes like pumpkin spice coquito. If y'all know what coquito is, it is a Puerto Rican rum drink that we have on the holidays. So yeah, so organic creamer, pumpkin puree, not too much, pumpkin spice, sugar. I use the raw sugar. I add a splash of this only because this is not as thick as like a half and half. but it's thick enough to still, you know, use as a creamer. So I just like using a splash of this just to kind of make it a little light because I like my coffee light and sweet. So we're going to get everything together. We're going to pour this into the coffee. All right, y'all. Here we go. I like my little mug. Tyrone gave this to me as a gift. Isn't he cute? Aww. Alright, so I love my coffee in the morning, you guys. This may be a bit much, but got 10 ounces of coffee in there. Now we're going to take our pumpkin spice creamer and we're going to pour that in there. That might have been a bit much, I think. Let's see. Oops. And adjust it to your taste. There you guys have it. Pumpkin Spice Latte for the first day of fall. Hope you guys enjoyed. Toodles!